Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the velocity of the riders on the big pink slide. Okay, so run Logger Pro. You have to do it on a Mac or a PC. Probably you'll be doing it on a PC, right? And then you want to insert the movie that you took of the big pink slide. Now I've got a movie from the front of it, which probably isn't ideal. If you got a movie from the side, sort of from where the Screaming Eagle is, that's probably better. But anyway, I'm going to go Insert Movie. There's probably all kinds of problems. So mine is on the desktop in a folder called Oaks Park Stuff, and it's the big pink slide from the front. Okay, and I like to make this as big as possible. I don't know if that makes it more accurate, but I have the feeling that it does, right? And I need a distance reference here. So let's go to the Oaks Park site, right? Go to the big pink slide. And we know at the bottom, we're not going to use that reference, but that's 2.37. This distance from the side to the side is 1.4 meters, and that's perfect because when they're far away, our distance reference will be adjusted, right? I think that'll work. So 1.4 meters. I'm going to go with that. Okay. So I'm going to get these young women when they cross this spot right here. Okay. I'm making an assumption about their gender. Okay. So let's see. Here we go. So I'm going to go from that. It's really from the inside of this to the inside of that. So this distance right there is 1.4 meters. Really, I should do it in the middle of that stretch, shouldn't I? Okay, so here we go. I've told it that that's 1.4 meters, and now I'm ready to go. I'm just hitting this there's a little thing that advances at one frame. And I'm going to use this person on the left there, okay? And they're going sufficiently slow that I'm actually going to use the left side of that crosshair to click. And that's enough. Got that. And I'm going to look, this is in the Y direction that'll show up. So I'm going to go in here, click on that. I only want to look at the Y direction. Okay, and then select this. And to figure out a velocity, this is position, right? To figure out velocity, choose this straight line thing. I'm pretty sure that's, linear fit. Ta-da! There it is. Okay, now check it out. Look at the slope. The slope is 1.442. That's it. That's the velocity. Notice it's in meters per second. So that's my velocity like that. Take a screenshot of that, put that in your, do we do this? I don't know. How could we do that? We could be all sassy and be like, oh, look at that, right? Okay. But anyway, that's your velocity at that point. Okay. Once you've got that, once you've done that, go up here and go data, clear all data. Okay. And then we want to get them in this second thing here, right? Okay. So again, I'm going to set the scale, which is going to be different, right? So click this thing. And right in the middle of this is 1.4 meters. Okay. And then I want to hit this thing until they get to that. I could drag the bar on the bottom. Anyway, there she is. So she's going to be going a little faster here, right? So I'm going to click on that. I'm just using the left side to click. These young women seem to be evenly matched. There we go. All right, so I've done that. Okay, so I've done that part there. I'm going to click on here. I've got this. This should look like a nice straight line. Now, if they're speeding up, of course, it'll get. I guess it'll get sharper. It'll get steeper, right? People don't tend to speed up a whole lot, though. Okay, so let's select that, and then you're going to again choose that thing that says linear fit, and it just fits it in. And notice now that they've sped up a little. It's 1.521 meters per second. Okay, you don't really speed up that much on this ride because there's just terrible friction. Okay, so again, you could take a screenshot of that. Okay, that was the velocity at this point, right? Okay, then let's go in here. Let's go data. Let's clear all that data. Okay, and then I'm going to set the scale down here at the bottom. I want to catch them at the bottom. Okay, and that distance is indeed 1.4 meters. Okay, and then let me see if I can get them. You can actually, by the way, just drag this thing That's pretty good right there. All right. And I'm going to click, click, click. I don't really have enough time here to tell a joke. All right. Okay, there we go. And then again, go over here, click on this. If you have one of those windows up, just close it, select the whole thing. And then see this linear fit button, click that, and that'll just give you the velocity. So if you want velocity, right, then you just do a linear fit. Acceleration, we use that crazy polynomial, the curve thing, okay? I think that's it. Yeah, I think we're good.